Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. Happy summer. It is really hot here today. That's why I'm super excited to show you this ice maker that I was gifted. It can make 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in only 6 minutes. It's super easy to use, has several really great features. You can make small and larger ice cubes. It's fast, like I just mentioned. You literally plug it in and fill it up with water. 1.5 liters of water is its capacity, and then it makes your ice cubes for you. Super easy controls on the top. There's a cleaning function to keep this nice and fresh. You also have an alarm for when your basket is full, and there is also an alarm for when you need to add water. So let's take a closer look and let's check out those ice cubes. All right, here's our closer look. I want you to listen first just how quiet this is. So that is super quiet, really great feature. This is inside. Here are some of the ice cubes. I love that blue light so you can kind of see what is going on in there. And then there is a nice big basket for the ice. Just giving you some close-ups of the side here. Key right here. This is where you drain. Make sure that is closed before you put your water in, or you will have water all over your kitchen counter. 2 nice little tabs here to open this up. That's where you're going to get your ice. And here's what I love. You have a place for your scoop to live. Love that. Controls couldn't be easier. There's the large and the smaller ice cube, and then you need to fill the water and then empty it, power, and then you can change your modes right there. And the last mode on the left there is the cleaning mode. Easy to plug in, nice and compact. This is really great for those summer months or when you're having parties because you always need more ice. I am really loving this. Now let's check out those cubes. Okay, here they are. So we have the small cubes and you have the larger cubes. I did want to show you what came out first as soon as I turned this on. It was these sort of odd looking cubes. But that was only for the first set, and I had literally just plugged it in, so don't panic if this happens. This is what you are going to get. Again, I only got 3 little weird guys here, but you will get the small and the large. This is my favorite kind of ice because it has this sort of hole in the middle. Makes your drink just extra delicious. So, again, loving this ice cube maker. Definitely get one. It's great for all holidays, especially the summer ones.